This is Broadway Limited's 2025 release of the N-Scale SD40-2 with Paragon 4 DCC and sound. This particular version is the high hood version, which means that the nose of the engine is the same height as the rest of the body. The 2025 version is a model of the original standard SD40-2, including the HT-C trucks, which lead to the porches on each end of the engine due to their increased length over the original SD40 trucks. The model includes many separately applied details like handrails, the horn up top, and the little sun hoods on the windows. The model also includes many lighting features. When you open up an N-Scale Paragon 4 locomotive, you can see the myriad of wires that allow for these features to function. The SD40-2 also has a host of sound features. One unique thing about this particular SD40-2 is that it comes pre-configured to run long hood forward, which was a holdover from the way Southern Railroad engines ran their engines. The SD40-2 is also available in Stealth, which is Broadway Limited's DCC ready version, and these take Next 18 DCC decoders The Stealth version also has an included speaker that's already installed for easy DCC and sound conversion. So if you are interested in putting an ESU or Soundtracks decoder in there, they both have decoders that will fit this locomotive. I have links in the description below if you want to check one out or pick one up. SD40-2s can prototypically exist on railroads from the 1970s all the way to today. They are a versatile addition to any model railroad fleet. Now, if you want to see one doing some switching operations on my layout, you can check out this link right here. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.